Alright, good day and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John Miracle Ejikame. As you can see on the screen, I'm a digital entrepreneur and a crypto specialist. Alright, in today's video tutorial is going to focus on Zilliqa blockchain. Okay, so I'm going to explain what Zilliqa is to you, and I will show you how to make fortune from Zilliqa. Now, if you missed my first video about Hess blockchain, alright, so let me show you how it is. Hess blockchain. If you miss it, then I would like you to go watch it, because I showed how I started with just a few bucks and I've made over 100 bucks from Hex. Alright, so I will drop the link to Hex, my tutorial on Hex video, in the description of this video below. Okay, so I want you to check it out after you've finished watching this Zilliqa tutorial that is going to blow your mind. Okay, this is just a brief overview of how the Hex platform looks like. Okay, these are all cryptocurrencies that are of little amount currently, and they are going to blow up in the future. So it's the best time to harvest them at this early age. Okay, so you're not actually just buying them, you're actually harvesting them. Alright, so before I continue with this tutorial, I want you to do me a favor by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay, please, I want you to do me this favor. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. Alright. Okay, great. Now, what is Zilliqa? Okay, Zilliqa is a blockchain. Okay, it's a decentralized finance. It's a smart contract. So it's a company just like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, so the main focus of Zilliqa is to reduce the fees on transaction. Okay, so if you have been someone that is into crypto trading or selling and buying, you agree with me that sometimes the fee for selling Ethereum is very cost. So that is what Zilliqa is trying to do. They're trying to cut down the fees. Alright, so if you go to the zilliqa.com, you're going to see a lot of things about Zilliqa. So you just read through and you expand your knowledge about Zilliqa, because the core aim of this video tutorial is to show you how to harvest Zilliqa by buying a little amount of it and then keep taking it and any more percentage while you wait for Zilliqa to grow. Now, if you tap Zilliqa, you can go to CoinMarketCap and you can see Zilliqa. You can see the current price of Zilliqa. See, then you can see the history chart of Zilliqa. Okay, Zilliqa is a new cryptocurrency. Alright, it's not up to 5 years now, and you know what that means. Okay, this is when it was launched, and then so you know what that means to hold a cryptocurrency that is very of good potential, right? So that is just it. So you can see CoinMarketCap overview of what Zilliqa is. Let me read it for you. Zilliqa is a public permissionless blockchain that is designed to offer high throughput with the ability to complete thousands of transactions per second, and that's insane. It seeks to solve the issue of blockchain scalability and speed by employing shared sharding as a second layer scaling solution. Now, I don't want to get to all that, okay, not to waste time. Now, how do you stake Zilliqa? Now, if you go to the official website, you're going to see staking. Now, staking means you're buying it and you're holding it, okay? So by so doing, you're actually helping the economy of Zilliqa. So the company rewards you for buying and holding, okay? When you buy and hold, you are helping the economy of Zilliqa, okay, to grow their coin in value. So that is just the staking stuff. Okay, look at it here. Staking is a technique that will push our network decentralization to a new level by bringing more benefit to our wider community. Staking will open up access to manage Zilliqa seed nodes to our ecosystem of miners, token holders, and developers, and will create more utility for ZIL. Why stake your ZIL? The utility of ZIL token is of the utmost importance to us through strategic partnership with exchanges and wallets. We want to ensure our token holders enjoy various options to annual returns of 6% or more with non-custodial staking returns on them. So you can read out through this to get more knowledge and insight about it. Okay, so with that said, let me go to the proper tutorial of showing you how to stake your ZIL. Okay, now I'll be using a wallet. I prefer to use the you can use any wallet. Okay, you can use any wallet you want to use. You can go to stake.zilliqa.com if you want to stake. You can use any wallet, but I love this is Zillion. Okay, if you want to stake with Zillion, you can stake with it. Okay, you can see the types of wallets. All right, Moonlet.io. You can see all these type of wallets. You can use them to stake Zilliqa. So any wallet or exchange that is listed here can be used to stake Zilliqa. So I will go to my favorite one, which is Zillet. Now why I like Zillet, because it's secured. Okay, I don't need to have 12 ways or create a private key for myself. I just need my Google address. So if you have a Google address, you can use Zillet and your account is safe. There's nothing like 12 ways, no private keys, just your Google account. Okay, now if you go to Zillet is a wallet, okay, that helps you to interact with Zilliqa's blockchain. So that is what Zillet is. Alright, Zillet is not a bank. They don't keep your funds for you. They only help you to interact with Zilliqa's blockchain. Now there are different ways to create a wallet on Zillet. Now if you look at the trust or security score, you're going to see that if you're creating with privacy, your security score is not that strong. Why? Because if should in case you misplace a key, okay, a private key contains 64 characters hex string, and if you misplace just one key, you have lost access to your account. So they don't actually recommend you using this option. Now the second option is if you're using a keystore file, okay, they still don't actually recommend it because the security is not so strong. So if you look at the bottom, you're going to see that they have 4 super security from Zilpay. Zilpay is a third party, Moon is a third party, Ledger is a hard wallet. So I prefer to use Google. Okay, you can see that this trust security is 100% here. Okay, so I just actually connect it with my Google account and then I'm logged into my wallet. So I don't need to have any stuff. So I can at once I can access my Google account, I can access my funds on Zilpay. Okay, so this is my Google account, so I have to log in to access my funds. Okay, great. You guys can see it's so straightforward. There's no 12 ways, no private keys. Okay, just your Google account and then you're good. Now, you see that I have a 689 zeal, right? That is a $51 right here. So I want to stake my zeal to get more of it. Okay, you can see, so I can actually send. Okay, and so if you don't have zeal, I will recommend you to buy zeal from Binance Exchange. Okay, in the video below I will drop my description link, my referral link. Okay, so you can help me use my referral link to Binance and then you can buy zeal any amount you want, and then when you buy zeal, you come here and you click on receive. Okay, copy your address to the Binance and then you fund your Zillet wallet, okay, with your zeal. Then when you fund it to zeal, you can now go to staking right here, right? Then you click on the stake. Since I want to use all my tokens, I will click on maximum, right? Then you can see delegated to Zillet, right? So I'm getting 5% commission since I'm using my Zillet. I'm getting 5% commission, so let's see. Okay, let's try this higher commission. Let's see how it works. Let's see this one. Alright, that is gone. Okay, let's wait for it. Let's check it from the view block to see our transaction. And our transaction has gone. It's gone already. Let's view it from the view block. Okay, you need to be careful when doing transactions with the decentralized application, because if you make a mistake, it's impossible to get a refund. Okay, so that's want you to be very careful when doing yours so that you don't encounter any mistake. If there's any issue, you can actually contact me to help you with it. Alright, Alright, as you can see, the stuff is gone. You can check it in the Zilliqa blockchain. Okay, you can see it here, right? You're seeing it here, right? That's it, 639.21710. Okay, $47, and the fee is $0.13. Okay, so you see the staking has been activated. It is now on the zero. Okay, you see that I actually increased my stake from, okay, here's the commission rate. Okay, I dedicated it to zero. Okay, Zilliqa that has the highest commission rate. Okay, so I'll make more profits. Okay, so you can do that on your own. It's very safe. You can actually swap to any of this coin here. You can see the percentage rate. Okay, so I guess you just pick the highest one, which is Zilliqa. Okay, then you do your staking. That's all. So when you send on, when you activate your staking, it will now go and to be here for you. So then your reward will be showing here. Whenever there's a reward, it's gonna show here, and then you claim your reward often time. So you can end your stake anytime, right? It's anytime you can end the stake. That's the best. So, but if you don't end your stake, you keep on ending rewards. If you end your stake, there will be more rewards for you. Okay, so the more longer you stake, the more reward you get. So that's all about Zilliqa. Okay. Now, why are you staking? You're staking it to, saving it for a long time. So, you're just buying it and storing it in your wallet. You can actually stake it and make more Zilliqa while you wait for the price to become something great in future. And there's no doubt that Zilliqa is a good cryptocurrency, and with time it's going to explode, and everybody who are actually staked is going to make profit from Zilliqa. Alright? Okay. Good luck. Success. Thank you.